Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, it's comfort food day today, and what better comfort food than potato and bacon? How would I ever live without you? So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mashed potato and bacon bake. It's so easy, hardly any ingredients. Let me show you what I'm using. So all I've got today is a kilo or about 2 pounds of potatoes, some bacon. Use as much as you like. I like a lot, that's why I'm using heaps. I've got some spring onions. I'll be grating some cheese. I've got some milk for the potatoes. And of course, some butter. If I didn't eat butter, my knees would have seized up by now. So there's a few things to cut up. Let's do that. So for starters, I'll cut up the potatoes and throw those in the pot. In with some salt and water and straight on the stove. Once these start boiling, you'll need to boil them for about 20-25 minutes until they're nice and soft. Boil, my pretties. Next, I want to cut up the bacon into chunks, big or small, although the smaller would be better. And you're probably thinking, Greg, that is way too much bacon to be using. And you'd be right. And we'll slowly start to cook this bacon till it's nice and crispy. Now there's a few other things I need to do, like grate some cheese and cut up those spring onions. Giddy up. Grate, 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 grate. Ah, my thumb! Giddy up. Oh! Tastes like beer. Keep our eyes on that bacon. Alright, these are nearly ready. So I need to preheat the oven now. 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 360 Fahrenheit. Alright, well those potatoes are cooked and drained. So of course, to any good mashed potatoes, you need to add butter. I like to add heaps! And a dash of milk as well. Always goes down the treat. And we'll just mash this all together. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then to that, I'll add half these spring onions. Have a look at that bacon. Oh. And I'll add in half the bacon. And let's mix these together. Oh no, I nearly forgot. I've got all this cheese here too. Oh boy, that's way too much. Said no one ever. So I'll put some cheese in there and mix that through. Might just add a little bit more milk to that actually. But it looks dangerously low on butter as well, so I'll just add a bit more of that in. That texture looks a lot smoother and a lot nicer. So now it's time to grab the grandma's old baking dish. We'll put this potato in here. Spread it out. And now we'll add the rest of the bacon. Spread that out nice and evenly, or unevenly. Some leftover spring onions. Finish it off with the cheese. Wow. That is a lot of cheese. I've still got a few spring onions here, so I'll just sprinkle those over the top. And now, this just goes into my preheated oven for about 40 minutes, or until that cheese is all bubbling on top. Alright, well the 40 minutes is up. And take a look at that. So I'll just let that cool down for a little bit, and then I'll dive on in for the old super awesome, super greasy, nice and hot, nice and cheesy bacon, super deluxe, cheesy potato bake taste test. Serve myself a nice slab. Cut it like a cake. So cheesy, so bacony, so potatoey, so manly. Well, I hope you enjoy this mashed potato, bacon, bakey, cheesy, greasy bowl of manliness. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more. Thumb this video up, and I'll see you next time when Greg eats something. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made some cheesy, greasy, easy peasy, bacony potato bake. Oh yeah.